Today we're going to be looking at the pros and cons of using a net cup and grow media in a Kratky setup, or just using no net cup and no media as I do in my grow pipe. So with the net cup, you need to use a net cup if you buy plants that are already started, or if you start them in rock wool or peat pellets. But if you start them on clay pebbles or one of my other methods, you can just drop the plant directly into a Kratky setup with a small hole. So we'll look at both ways today.
Hey everybody, I'm going to be doing some hydroponic planting, and I wanted to show you all how to plant in a net cup, which many of you may be familiar with, but also in my grow pipe I have very small holes and no net cups, and that's the way I developed this growing system so that we wouldn't need to do net cups and clay pebbles. I still do for some things, but generally for a lot of things like the greens, we could just use just the half-inch hole, and we don't have to buy clay pebbles and net cups and wash them in between every grow. So I'm going to show you both of those right now. We're gonna plant this little coleus plant in the peat pellet, and that'll be going into the net cup and into the this is half-gallon mason jar. And these are little pak choi babies that are just started on one of my little microgreens planters. This is a mini one that I use just for germinating to plant to grow bigger. So I'll show you how that all goes. So I planted in the little net cup. I put some clay pebbles in the bottom, then I put my little peat pot in, and I put some clay pebbles around. And now it's ready to go into the mason jar. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill up most of this and then I'll adjust it so that I know it's just right. I want it to come up and almost touch just about touch the bottom of the little peat pot that's in there. I know where the bottom of that is, so I can just adjust this. And that looks perfect to me. So now all we have to do is just wrap the jar so it's covered, so we don't get any algae growing in there from the light. And this is a coleus, so it probably won't need any fluid or topping off for a very long time, probably 6 weeks or something, or a month. So now I'll just wrap the jar and put it in the light. So I got one more container ready, so I'll drop another pak choi in this one. Just, when I pulled that one out, the root broke, so that's why I always plant plenty. Some will come out easier than others. That's a nice long root right there. In fact, that'll probably be hard to get in here. That's it. Now these, probably should be a little bit bigger than they are. And if you have, but I'm putting them in there anyway, and if you have a problem where it looks like they're going to fall in and you still want to do it, you can use a little piece of tape to block off half of the hole, and as soon as the plant gets a little bigger, you can take that off. And I think I'm going to do that for these two, because these containers, these babies are so tiny, but it'll only take a week or so. Okay, so there you have it. We have our coleus in the net cup in here. I'm going to cover this up. And we have the two pak choi in here. And I'll come back, I don't know if I'll put these in another video, but you'll probably see them if you follow me on my pictures or something, and I'll show you how these guys did. But I'm pretty confident that they'll do just fine in here. And that's it. So thanks for watching, everybody, and happy growing.